Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video again will be limited collections on the cotton or party wear or like summer little premium quality dresses which I'll be showing it to you. So booking number is 9711952266. Please follow and like my page on Facebook and also join my WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description box. So let's start off with the lovely collections. So here this one is a very beautiful dress. It is in greenish, mint green color. Okay, mint green color this dress is, and you have got lining till here. Okay, lining is still here. Though it is non-transparent, it's a very beautiful dress. And this one, the size which will fit 34 also can go, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. Okay, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. Completely cotton dress है, premium cotton dresses है. For 1200 free shipping, premium cotton dress, completely cotton dress, very beautiful piece, very lightweight with complete embroidery hai. Very beautiful premium cotton dress just for 1200 free shipping. ठीक है, just for 1200 free shipping you can grab this piece, a very beautiful piece in mint green color. So look at this dress. This is a free size party wear dress. Okay, free size party wear dress mein hai. The sleeves are like this, one hand, other hand is like this. So you can wear it in this way also. And this is a lovely in wine color. Okay, so purplish wine mein, and you can wear it in this way also. So if you want to wear it in this way, then this sleeves will be like this. And if you want to wear it this way, then it will be like this. A very smart piece just for 999 free shipping. Okay, and this is a free size dress. Free size dress means small, medium, large, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL can go for this because it's completely stretchable piece. Completely stretchable piece just for 999 free shipping. Single piece is only available for this. So here comes a very beautiful mint color dress. Sorry, not mint color. It's peach, pink peach color. ठीक है, पिंक पीच पे रहेगा. कंप्लीटली कॉटन ड्रेस अगेन, कॉटन ड्रेस रहेगी. वेरी स्मार्ट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ फ्री साइज एट 42, 44 साइज आराम से कैन गो. तो स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल कैन गो फॉर दिस ब्यूटिफुल पीस. Beautiful piece, and this sleeves pattern, it's very smart. Like, I personally like the sleeve pattern because it gives you a very slimmer shape, and completely in cotton, denim cotton, and with the lining also in cotton. Okay, very beautiful piece just for 1200 free shipping. So this one is a summer dress completely. Okay, very beautiful, smart, and this is in georgette or semi georgette. Georgette नहीं है, it's like semi fabric with lining. ठीक है, and this one is completely fitting my size. So 34, 36, 38 can go. 34, 36, 38 can go. Back side will be like this, front will be like this, and this is a navy blue with flower prints. ठीक है, navy blue with flower prints, and this one is 699 free shipping. 650 free shipping. Okay, so this one is 650 free shipping for this lovely piece. 32, 34, 36 for this piece. So here you can see this is lovely piece in 40, 42 size. Okay, in 40, 42 size it will go. It comes with the sleeves. Okay, quarter sleeves it will go in 40, 42 size. मैं इसका काम दिखा देती हूँ. 40, 42 size में आएंगे ये, and this also comes with the tassels like this, and in white color cotton with lining, 40, 42, and this is also for 1200 free shipping. So this dress is for 599 free shipping. Okay, now I checked it, 599 free shipping. It comes with the lining also. ठीक है, 599 free shipping for this. 34, 36, 38. Now here comes a very beautiful one. ठीक है, इतना smart piece है, full summer vibes in this dress. And this one, the size, ये आपका देखिए जॉर्जेट में है विथ लाइनिंग. ठीक है, जॉर्जेट में है विथ लाइनिंग, एंड इसका जो साइज रहेगा, बिकॉज इट्स इन डबल लेयर टाइप्स. ठीक है, तो साइजेस आर देखो स्मॉल भी चला जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड लाइक यू कैन सी. ओके, सो स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल. ठीक है, small, medium, large, XL, double XL, very smart piece. Look at the color. Okay, it's completely in pastel, very smart piece. Small, medium, large, XL, double XL. Back side you can see like this ऐसे रहेंगे. 1300 free shipping. This is a very gorgeous and uncommon design, completely designer piece है. 1300 free shipping में जाएगा this dress. And look at the color first, like it's so subtle. और इतना मुझे एक ही पीस मिला. आई रिक्वेस्टेड कि अगर हो सके सो नो अपडेट कि मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. दिस फॉर दिस आई रिक्वेस्टेड बिकॉज इट्स सो पार्टी वाइब्स एंड यू नो. आप एक क्लच लीजिए with a clutch, a lovely clutch matching with any of the colors and you will look so gorgeous in this. ठीक है. So this one is of 1300 free shipping. So these were the collections, limited pieces but good collection I feel. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. आप लोग नहीं कर रहे हो, this really demotivates me. एक ही तो बटन दबाना है, आपको कहीं जाना भी नहीं है. This inspires me. अगर आप like subscribe करेंगे, so it will keep me going. So thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.